Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a sections to a pages in Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, go to online store and click on customize, and now select that page where you want to add a new section and scroll down to the left hand side and click on add section. And now you can add a block section, collage. Select any of them to add on your section. So I'm going to select in here slideshow, and here we can see a slideshow section has been added, and I want to put the slideshow section upper to this subscribe section. So I'm simply dragging it, and here you can see it's right now in upper. And now we can easily edit or customize our new section. So this is how we can add section on page. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.